This 2016 Coachmen Apex Ultra-Lite 288 BHS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Ina, Illinois, 62846 and is offered for sale by Zoomers RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 31 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 9, slide-out, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.